Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Khalid Zaheer. I have come to Dallas on the invitation of Ghamidi Center for Islamic Learning. I'll stay here for 2 months and will make an attempt to describe some of the important concepts of Islam as have been understood by the Farahi school of thought in the recent times in English. We know that there's a lot of work that has already been done, extremely impressive work to clarify the concepts of Islam in this particular school of thought. But there is a need for the information, the end result that we have been able to get from this rigorous exercise, academic exercise, to be now put across to the English-knowing world. This process started in 1983, probably even before. But in 1983, Ghamdi Sahab sowed the seed of Al-Mawrid as an educational institution, and there were a few students who were with him who started the process. I had also the privilege of being one of them. But in actual fact, this process started much earlier. I can see in this center the pictures of Mawlana Farahi, Mawlana Amin Ahsan Islahi, and Javed Ahmed Ghamdi Sahab on the wall. It started in 1925, now one full century ago, when Mawlana Islahi started learning the real, proper, in-depth understanding of the Quran from his mentor, Mawlana Farahi, in the manner that he understood the Quran. And he was the one who presented the path-breaking understanding of how the Quran needs to be understood the way it is. So hopefully you will see me in a number of programs in the next 2 months, inshallah. And I'll try to clarify as best as I can the various different concepts that we have now understood more properly through this great legacy of Islamic learning. And there are going to be question-answer sessions as well. I hope and pray that I'll be able to do some justice with the task. And I also hope that you will enjoy and understand from my presentations.